Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. As we get into the end of November, we're going to be looking at the top 3 altcoins to buy right now. As you guys can see, the market is going up a little bit here over the weekend. We're up about 1.62%. We have a top gainer here in the past 24 hours, going to be Gitcoin, which is up about 91.3%. It is also the most visited coin. And then we have our highest volume like usual with Bitcoin at 32.5 billion, Ethereum at 18.8 billion. So Bitcoin's up about 1%, Ethereum's up about 1% or so, which means most of these other mid cap and lower cap coins are up about 1% or 2 or 3%. Bitcoin's at 55,000, Ethereum at around $4,100 right now. We see Binance Coin up about a 3.5% or so. A lot of these other ones are up about percent or flat. And then we do have some outliers here like Crypto.com, also known as Crow, which is up about 13%. Luna about 8% or so, and then some big gainers down here like Elron ICP, which has been on a run in the past few days, and then we have Filecoin down here about 8% or higher. So there's still going to be winners out here that we're going to be watching as the large cap coins start to make a comeback. These mid cap and the low cap coins will do a lot higher because if Bitcoin's up 1%, most of these smaller coins are going to be up, 3, 4, 5, 10%, depending on which coin we're looking at. So definitely opportunities out there to be made as long as you're looking out for the right stuff. Now, guys, before we get into this content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, if you want to sign up for Coinbase, there's going to be a link in the description. Get your $10 when you sign up for Coinbase and use your first $100 in the crypto space. Now, first, we're going to look at these crypto bubbles before we get into the list. Basically, what we do here is look at the top gainers in the past week. So we have a few here. Gitcoin is on the list, guys. 204% in the past week. We have Request, which is up over 241% in the past week or so. Gala is another big winner here at over 94%. And we have Hive here, 117%. Sandbox is actually on this coin. This is one of the metaverse plays. This one's up over 56% here. We have here MetaMask Network, which is up about 67%, and many other winners here. So we're seeing a lot more green than we were in yesterday when we saw that huge pullback in the market. We have another play here. 17% on another metaverse play as well. They're Decentraland. So there's always opportunities out there. You just have to look very closely to find, what you're looking for, because there's always going to be ups and downs. News are going to come out, but you just have to go out there and research and look for the opportunity for yourself. So let's get into our first altcoin. It is going to be Crypto.com, also known as Crow. So the reason we're going to be talking about this one is because it did get a nice pullback here in the past few days, and now could be a an opportunity to load up. So it was trading down here at lows of about 67 cents at one point. Now 78 cents, up about 13% or so. In the past week, we're up 37%, but we did hit highs up here of 99 cents, almost $1. So we're down about 22% from the high, and we were down as much as about 35% from the high. So that was a great opportunity to buy on the dip if you were already, willing to be buying up here. So in the past month, this coin's up over 283% as it continues to rally. We talked about this coin when it was trading under 20 cents, last month. So if you missed out on, content like that, that's why you want to stay subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on winners like this, because we called this one out when it was trading at 20 cents or so, and it went up all the way to about $1 in about 2 or 3 weeks. So that is about a 400% gain that happened right there very, very quickly. So in the past year, this one's up over 1,100%, making a huge rally here in the market. Market cap 19.9 billion, almost at a 20 billion market cap. Volume is at around 1.1 billion. We have our typical hold time is going to be 6 days right there. 75% buy activity, 25% sell activity. It is ranked the number 11 coin on the list. Now, Crypto.com is an Ethereum token that powers Crypto.com Pay, a service that allows or aims to allow users to pay for goods and services with cryptocurrencies while receiving cashback rewards. And we all like cashback rewards because we get rewarded for spending our money. And the way our brains work is, wow, if I go and spend this, I'm going to get something back as a reward. So we go out and do these things. So Crypto.com is definitely a coin that I believe will continue to grow in the years to come, especially with the things that they're doing right now. They're going to continue to be popular and grow bigger and bigger, in my opinion. And I would not be surprised to see, Crypto.com, also known as Crow, become one of the, top 5 to 6 coins in the future as it continues to rally in the next 5, 10, 15, or 20 years and becomes bigger and bigger than we believe. So Crypto.com, going to be our first altcoin on this list. Second altcoin on this list is going to be Polkadot, DOT. So this one, another one that's been making a little bit of a pullback here lately. In the past 24 hours, we're down about 0.5% or so, trading at $35.62. In the past week, we're down 13% from highs of about $44 or so, $43. In the past month, we hit highs of over $55, and we were trading at $35 right there right now, down about 20% from that high. And then on the 1-year chart, 644% higher, as we were trading under $5 last November, hit a new high here in February at 40, continue to hit higher highs until May here at $48, pull back down with the market all the way down to about $10 or so, and then rocket it on up all the way to over $50. So from this $10 range in July to the $50 range in November, that is about a 400% gain here in about, 3 months or so. So 400% upside right there that happened, very, very quickly, which means if you would have invested $1,000 here in July, it'll be worth over $5,000 here in November, and you would have made $4,000 profit in a matter of months on this coin. Currently, this one has a 35.4 billion market cap. Volume is actually down 43% lower than usual at 1.2 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 4 days. It is ranked the number 7 coin. So Polkadot continues to climb these rankings, and it's actually caught me by surprise, honestly. I never thought that Polkadot would be up here. 84% buy, 16% sell activity. Now, Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset. By uniting multiple blockchains, Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. Now, DOT serves as the protocol's governance token and can be used for staking to secure the network or to connect new chains. Now, how does all this work? Well, Polkadot uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism to secure the network, verify transactions, and create and distribute new DOT. There are several ways DOT holders can interact with staking system, depending on how much time, technical knowledge, and money they want to devote. By staking and participating in the network, you may be able to receive DOT rewards. So when you stake, you get rewards back for doing that. Something to keep in mind is the reason the Polkadot can process all of this information is because the many parachains do a lot of the heavy lifting for the main relay chain. As a result, the Polkadot network can process more than 1,000 transactions per second, compared to about 7 for Bitcoin and 30 for Ethereum. As the network grows and more parachains are added, Polkadot should get even faster with speeds that could hit 1 million transactions per second. So speed is the key here. This is the reason the Polkadot continues to grow, in my opinion, because they can do things way faster compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin, and they're becoming that altcoin, and that is the whole reason behind these videos. We talk about altcoins. Polkadot is becoming that altcoin because of this reason. It is much, much faster and better for the future. So Polkadot, number 2 on this list. Number 3 on the list is going to be XRP, also known as Ripple. Many of you should be familiar with this coin, one of the biggest coins back in the day. In the past 24 hours, we're trading flat, trading at 96 cents. In the past week, we're down 12%. In the past month, we're down 13.5% with highs of 133 or 135. In the past year, we're up over 71%. But that is not much compared to the rest of the market. So this one is underperforming the rest of the market because of legal reasons, obviously. So last November, we were trading at 56 cents. We hit highs here in April at around, $2 or so. Pulled back down with the market all the way down to about 50 cents or so, and then from that range we were up over 100%, maybe even 120 or 130% at one point. Now we've been consolidating in this channel, and we're hoping not to see this downtrend continue. We want to break out of that channel, continue on higher, push through that $1.30 area, and continue to hit new highs of the year. Now this one currently 45.1 billion market cap, volume at 2.7 billion, 37% lower than usual. All-time high is at 384, like we said, which was back in the day here in 2017. So we're very far away from that level, but it's a possibility to come back up in the future. So right here, XRP is the cryptocurrency used by the Ripple payment network. Built for enterprise use, XRP aims to be a fast, cost-efficient cryptocurrency for cross-border payments. Now, what is XRP? Well, XRP is a cryptocurrency used by the XRP ledger, which supports international currency exchange and remittances. The XRP can function as a bridge currency in transactions involving different currencies such as US dollar, Japanese yen, euros, francs, and others in use on the XRP network, obviously. So the only reason this one has kind of been hammered is because of those legal issues, in my opinion. Once all that is over with, I believe that XRP will continue to grow in the future. So we'll be watching that one very, very closely, guys. Those are the 3 altcoins we're going to be watching. Now let's take a look at the rest of the market. Solana still trading under $200 levels, so we're down about 20% from the highs, up about 1%. Dogecoin still staying alive here in the low 20s now. Shiba Inu actually made a huge pullback yesterday, but came back up a little bit. We're both up about 1% here on the Dogecoin and the Shiba, both of the memes. They continue to trade in this range. Then we have obviously the big dogs here. Bitcoin up about 1% almost from lows of about 53,000 yesterday. In the past week, we're down 5%. Past month, 8.8% lower. And then on the 1 year chart, obviously, we're up 225%. But we're $14,000 away now from the all-time high. And that seems like a very far away, stretch here. And, who knows if we're going to be able to possibly get to that level by the end of 2021. But I would never, count Bitcoin out, because you never know what's going to happen. It could happen in a matter of a few days, where it just continues to rocket on higher and higher. Currently we're at a 1 trillion market cap, 33% of the crypto market space. Volume is down 24% lower than usual. We have trading activity at 81% buy and 19% sell activity on Bitcoin. With Ethereum, this one's trading at almost 4,200, so it's only about $600 away from the all-time high, which is not crazy. That's about a 12% upside here that we have, and that could happen in a matter of days. So, I would not be surprised if we saw all-time highs by the end of 2021 still. In the past week, we're down 3.5%. Past month, we're literally flat, and then on the 1 year chart, 720% higher. So Ethereum continues to grow higher and higher, obviously, outperforming Bitcoin by a long shot in 2021 so far. 491.1 billion market cap, 16% of the crypto market space. Volume is down 27% at 18.8 billion. We have trading activity at 80% buy and 20% sell activity. Ethereum, one of the big dogs that I believe will continue to grow into the end of 2021. We'll just have to wait and see what happens with all this fear that's been going around the market in the crypto space and the stock market, obviously, in general. So you guys let me know in the comments below, what are your thoughts? As always, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. As always, if you want to sign up for Coinbase, check out the link in the description. Get your $10 when you sign up and invest your first $100 into the crypto market space. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence and make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.